guys, so today I'm joined with my friends. You guys want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Sasha.
I'm Jack.
I'm Brandon.
Ryan.
And basically today I'm going to be asking them some questions that you guys wanted me to ask my guy friends. So this is basically just like everything girls want to know from a guy's perspective. So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first question. Bro girls or girly girls?
Girly girls.
Girly girls.
Girly girls.
Probably.
Nah.
I knew you were going to say
It's
bro
a huge
girls.
mistake, actually.
You gotta go bro girls.
That's a huge mistake.
Explain.
Why bro
Explain
girls?
yourself.
They're just more like genuine, you know?
That's cat.
I can see that.
Yeah, less caring about
I feel
your
like
appearance,
a mixture of
maybe.
both could be nice as well.
A mixture of both would be okay, but bro girls are like kind of scary.
You get like bullied by
you get alpha.
I don't think you can handle a bro girl.
I'm not gonna go there, but
What is something girls do that you really like?
take a joke.
Okay.
That's a good one.
That's a good answer.
when you're like more in like a relationship, I guess like
Yeah.
scratching your head.
Okay.
Like not in like a bad like yo like okay I'm not gonna lie Alright.
I don't know, like I'm a terrible cook and I hate cooking, so
Cooking.
cooking would be very nice.
Oh, yeah, I agree with that one.
You definitely need a cook.
Okay, what is the least attractive thing a girl can do?
Not take a joke.
Flip
That's
off the
actually more
camera.
important than taking a joke. Not taking a joke is like
Like getting
that's an
offended.
issue. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would not enjoy that.
Girls
I
do
think,
that
I don't know, like being cocky or just like talking about yourself a lot.
Fishing for
Yeah.
compliments.
Fishing.
That too.
Oh, yeah.
That's so bad.
What is your ideal date? So just like date in general, not first date.
Ideal date.
Yeah.
That's a tough
It
one.
could be like general or like really specific. Whatever.
I think ideal date,
Mm-hmm.
a nice dinner. She offers to pay for it.
What?
Do you
Of course,
take her up on the
of course I
offer?
won't let her because I will
Okay.
pay for it.
Ooh.
No, I agree. You should always offer to pay, but you should never take her up on
And
the
then-
offer.
You know, maybe like a movie, a nice little thriller
A
at the end of the
thriller.
night.
Okay. So dinner date. Do you guys all agree
Are we
with dinner
talking-
dates?
Are we talking ideal date?
Yeah.
Like perfect date.
Yeah.
Bahamas, on the beach, restaurant. That'd be fine.
Okay. So is food always a factor in the
I think
date?
food should be a factor. I think you have to like discuss over dinner.
I think like first dates, like dinner is ideal, but then after that, like sometimes it's like hard to have like a conversation where you have to pause to eat.
Yeah.
But I guess if you're like been dating for a while, then yeah, because you can sit in silence, so it's not weird.
Yeah, that's
What do you think when a girl asks you like what your zodiac sign is, and like if they're really into that?
I hate it.
Ooh.
Absolutely hate it.
I hate
That's
it,
so
yeah.
corny.
It's
dog.
so-
I don't even know my zodiac sign.
I honestly
Really?
don't even know what it means.
Yeah, I don't know what it means either.
I know
I know they
mine
have like a
means.
bunch of different meanings for each one, but I don't know anything about each one.
I'm a Taurus.
Thanks,
Oh
Jordan.
my God.
What if she like asks you like what time you were born? Is that like big red flag?
I don't know what time.
Like, oh, the time,
Because
exact
that
time.
some people
I don't know
like
the
the
time.
time determines like more specific stuff about your sign.
If she is asking about my time, I don't want to be with her anymore. That's like, she's judging me off the time I was born.
What about you, buddy? You stayed silent.
I don't know, bro.
I
Like,
feel like you believe
it's
in that.
it's like a yellow flag. It's not like a red flag.
Okay.
Like,
Definitely
I asked
ask
them what time you were born.
Mia, you asked Jordan that last night.
Yeah, it's like a thing.
it's just like a little excessive. I feel like.
I just say, well, it's like what you do with that information. Like, if they care about if you're not compatible with your star sign, I think that's a little
Not
strange. Okay, how much does appearance matter over like personality?
I wouldn't say it matters over personality, but I'd say it still matters because you have to be like,
Yeah.
attracted to somebody.
What's
Great
like the
answer.
ratio
I know.
though?
That's a
Great
answer.
answer.
That's a fantastic
That's
ratio.
good.
Jack, what is the ratio?
Ratio is like, if, okay, I'm an expert at this time. So, if personality is like a 3, appearance is like a 1.5.
Okay.
That's a professional
How would you
rating
base
right
it
there.
out of-
I'm basing it off
was
of
that?
the pizza,
Oh.
Boston pizza reviews. You have to have not a solid number.
What, not a rookie
So,
number?
not a rookie
Alright,
number.
that's
Yeah.
Wait, 3 out of what?
Yeah, that's what I'm
What?
I'm so lost what your number is.
No, not a ratio does not have to be out of anything. It can just be
That's
a
fair.
ratio.
But
So 3 to 1.5.
Why don't you just say 2 to 1?
that doesn't.
But it's more like a 3 to 1.5.
That doesn't.
I have a different take on this.
Okay.
On this question.
Let's hear it.
This would be good.
So I feel like it really depends on what you're looking for. If it's a hookup,
Appearance.
it's just all appearance, you know. If it's relationship in the long run, it's like all personality.
The issue is like when you
I
first
agree.
meet somebody, the only thing you have to base them off of is their appearance.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
like
like
a
initially you need like physical attraction, but would you continue if they had a bad personality and you were looking to date?
No,
No.
Definitely?
Oh no.
You would not
No.
Okay, good.
Okay, shy girls or confident girls? Confident, not like cocky, but like just very secure in themselves.
I think confident to an extent, yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Agreed.
Yeah, that
You know,
was.
it's like interchangeable. I don't really
I feel
care.
like you like shy girls.
I mean,
You're
like,
a little shy.
I'm like,
Not a bad thing.
you know, it's like a learning experience. You know, it's like
Yeah. Okay, this one's kind of interesting. What is the equivalent of flowers to you guys?
The PS5.
So the price point's a little different there.
Xbox One.
I have
Series
a
X.
perfect answer for this.
Okay.
Milky Ways.
Oh,
That's
no.
a game changer. That's a game changer.
Oh, you love Milky
Like
Way.
candy in
Granny's
general?
donuts.
That makes sense.
I guess sweets can count.
Food. Well,
What
would
do you
you
say?
like getting flowers from a girl?
Probably. I
No, I
probably
wouldn't
think
want
flowers
flowers.
now.
What do you do with
Flowers.
flowers? You know?
Just like leave them there.
They're for like decoration. Like you put
Yeah,
in
but
water.
that's
just
why you
give
just
it
get
to
like a
my mom.
painting.
The
Like
thing.
all it was.
Yeah, that's
Or like
stuff.
a-
That'd be pretty weird if someone showed up with a
Yeah, coffee
painting.
mugs.
The coffee mug would be
An
pretty
espresso, like little
Something like that.
Oh, okay.
pretty
So
cool.
maybe no
Lettuce wrap
flowers.
burger.
Actually, I would love to get flowers. I think flowers are great. Do you like when girls make the first move?
I don't mind. Like it's whatever.
I think I have another excellent answer.
Okay.
Let me think about it for a second.
I feel like it could be a little too much sometimes. Like you really gotta be like good about it.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to know that like for once a girl like showing interest.
But yeah,
in you,
it definitely
like,
does.
I think if
It
you
works.
if you don't know if she's into you or not, then it's nice to have her make the first move. But if you're
Okay.
like pretty sure she's into you, then it's better to make the first move as a guy.
Yeah,
Bravo,
but
bravo.
what about like if you're like into a girl and like you don't make a move and then she makes the move, then when you feel like, at least for me, like I feel like kind of shitty, like
Yeah.
not that like.
Yeah, I think in that
I mean-
situation, like, it'd be weird if the girl had to make the first move because
No,
the guy
yeah.
was taking too long.
That's fine.
That yeah, I agree with that too. Yeah.
But I'm just saying, guys are really easy. I'm not saying that anyway, but like, what? No, I'm not saying to do
What did you just
that.
say?
Like, I'm just saying guys are pretty easy in general.
What do guys talk about at sleepovers? You guys have sleepover every night, so it's that like.
Jack talks about Chrome Hearts a lot.
Sadly.
It's not really like I don't know. It's not really much like interesting conversation. It's very like bland.
You guys don't go deep in your conversation.
On occasion we do actually.
On occasion, we get into like some sort of discussions or arguments, but
Okay.
nothing really.
What's like the last deep thing we talked about?
Probably like basketball. Maybe.
What? Are you joking?
I think every night we've had like 3 conversations about
Bro.
basketball. That's
We're,
all
we're
we
talking about why that dude from Harry Potter didn't kill Harry Potter.
Oh yeah, we're talking about Harry Potter. Yeah, that was a good argument. we
Kith
had.
beanies.
Kith beanies.
Oh god.
So really groundbreaking stuff.
Yeah, very impressive stuff. Interesting.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. So that's all my questions. Thanks, guys. You had some great answers.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any last remarks?
Guys are easy.
Guys,
Guys are easy.
My Instagram is Jack Wild Goose. No,
I'm tagged.
Yeah.
I'm tagged in his photos.
guys,
You
he's
can find
selling
me.
watches.
Yeah, don't follow Jack unless you want to see him post a bunch of watches on his story.
I do sell watches.
Businessman.
Unless you want to buy a watch. Actually, I'll put all your Instagrams in the description. People can decide. If they want.
Wow. Yay.
Okay, well, thanks again. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you want to see me do more of these videos asking these guys questions or other guys, let me know. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.
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 Bye.